Hello folks, Stacey back here and welcome back to another railfanning video. Today on this particular night of May 14, 2026, I'm back to railfanning in Lakeland, Florida, catching CSX trains at night time. Anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The first train we would see is CSX I-178 from Winter Haven to Jacksonville. Locomotives numbers 7203 and 5204 were leading. This is an intermodal train that originates in Winter Haven and terminates into Jacksonville. For my next train, I moved to downtown Lakeland, catching CSX L793, a local rock train, that originates in Winston and terminates into Miami. The locomotives leading the train were number 7126 and 7579. After that, my next and last train would be CSX Aisle 45 with a special heritage unit, number 1875, the P&LE heritage unit, which I believe stands for Pittsburgh and Lake Erie. After that horn echo, 1875 was on its way here with Aisle 45, which is an intermodal train that originates in Jacksonville and terminates in Tampa. This, believe it or not, is a southbound train of Aisle 44. I'm pretty sure this would be what y'all are familiar to if you're a rail fan. After that train passed through, this will be my third and final train of the video, which wraps up my video. If y'all enjoyed this video, folks, please remember to smash the like button. Tell me what you think of the video in the comment sections below. Subscribe for more content and turn on notifications so you don't miss an upload. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.